Hello my YouTube friends, welcome back to another review video, and today I am going to do Amazon video once again, and it is from my collaboration store Ioxox. I still don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but I hope I am. So some of my followers on Instagram has actually sending me pictures on this short set from their store that they have uploaded pictures on. You wanted me to do a review of them, and of course I am going to do so, since you requested. So that is what we're going to talk about today. So they have this super cute shorts set that comes in 4 different colors, and I have all the 4 colors for you today. That has scrunchy booty and some like push-up in the booty, because this is not only, as you can see when I'm holding them up like this is not just contouring, it's also like push-up. So this is really like booty type of shorts. And they have this gorgeous type of bras with this open back. This reminds me so much about the back of the Alphalete bras that I reviewed long time ago, that I loved so much, with this super open back. And yeah, I have them in 4 colors, and we're gonna dig in to the review. So as I said, I am collaborating with them, so I do have coupons for you, so you can save yourself money both from the Amazon and on their worldwide store. The coupons you find here, and I also put them in the description box if you want to save yourself some money, and I will get a little kickback if you're using the codes. I want to say thank you ahead if you are. So yeah, I've said this many times before, but I'm gonna say it again. Even though I am collaborating with them, I am going to be 100% honest. I am going to give you my 100% honest opinions, and yeah, that is what we are going to do. So for this set, I have them in size small. And here's the thing. I have found that usually sizes on AliExpress and Amazon is a little bit different. So Amazon sizes, I am more or less always a size small, at least in this type of designs. So that is why I took it in size small, and I have to say that I'm glad I did so, because I think that they run a little bit bigger in size. Size small is fitting me perfectly. I am going to take the measure right across the waist, so you know. And in size small you have 30 centimeters right across the waist, which is 11.8 inches. And even in the sports bra I'm wearing it in size small, and I'm gonna measure right across underneath here in the size small, and you're gonna see and right across we have 30 centimeters, which is 11.8 inches. So it's the same in the waist and underneath in size small, both in the bra and in the shorts, as you can see. So talking about this sports bra first, I am in love. This one is so comfortable. It comes with paddings, but I have been taking out the paddings. Surprise, surprise, I more or less always take out the paddings. And it is seamless, and in the front you have double layered when you take out the padding. So I don't have any nipple tack, not even in the super bright and light colors. I love the open back. It's so gorgeous. I really love the design of it, and like the top part of the bra is super high, like high up. You have a lot of back space left that is open. This is also super cute if you have a top that maybe have some crisscross or something in the back. You're not going to see the straps of the bra underneath. So this bra is also super convenient to use underneath other type of tops and things. I will say this bra gives a decent amount of compression for being so like open in the back and things. I will say that it's medium support, like medium to a little bit higher medium support in this, and you can definitely, like I can definitely at least go running and jumping and things in this bra, and it will stay everything in place, keep everything in place, the name is. As you can see, it leaves me with a little bit of cleavage, but not super much cleavage at all. I feel 100% comfortable wearing this bra without anything on top of it, without any problem. So this sports bra for sure is a 6 out of 5. I love this design. I love it, love it, love it so much. And I've already been wearing this sports bra so much. What goes for the shorts? Honestly, the shorts didn't have the fit that I expected. They were much higher in the waist than I thought that they were going to. Maybe a hint little bit too high in my preference. I mean, it depends on what you like, but they were super high in the waist. They do give tummy control, but I will say overall in like the booty area, they don't give so much compression. So the compression is more to the tummy area, and I will say that it's like a thicker type of material in the tummy area than it is in the actual pants area. I like the scrunch. The scrunch is really emphasizing the booty, and you have a little bit of stretchiness in the scrunch, so it's not a super stiff scrunch. And what goes for the plumbing underneath, honestly, I think I would have preferred to take out this contouring underneath that is contouring with the push-up. But at the same time, I do like the type of push-up underneath. I think it's the thing that it comes in shorts. I think I would love to see this type of design also in leggings, where they have more of a push-up effect underneath and not only contouring. You do have some inner seam in the legs, which I like because they are not super short, so that I really like. And I like the color selection. They are all squat proof and everything. In the black color you can see the details much more than you can do in the other brighter colors. So what do I think about these shorts? Because now I've been all over the place. I feel like I like them, but I don't love them. It's nothing bad with them, it's just the overall fit that I like but I don't love. When I put them on, it's like I cannot put my finger on what exactly it is that makes me not loving them, only liking them, but there is something, and I think it can be a combination of the super high waist and the booty push-up effect underneath, because I just don't know why. It's just, I feel like when I'm taking them up, so the booty contouring is perfect, they are even higher in the waist for me because they are so stretchy. I mean, they are so forgiving in the sizes for sure. But it's still not that I don't like them. I still like them and I have still worn them to the gym. It's just this little extra thing missing that is making me loving them. I don't know how to explain it, but the quality is good, the stitching is good, everything is good with them. They have everything you want. They are squat proof and everything. You have the scrunchy booty, they are emphasizing the booty, you have the push-up effect, they are high in the waist, they leave you with tummy control and things. So it's not a bad pair of shorts. It's just like, I think I was so blown away about the bra because this bra was so good. So I was just like, I thought I was going to think that the shorts was as amazing as the bra, but in this review, honestly, I think the star of the show is going to be the sports bras, and the shorts is going to come on second place. Even though, don't take me wrong, it's not a bad pair of shorts at all, but I can definitely say if you are in between two sizes, go for the lower size both in the shorts and in the sports bra. So maybe this was a little bit of a confusing review today. Usually I'm very like, I love this or I do not like this. But this shorts is something in between. Nah, not in between. If we have I love it here and I don't like it here, these shorts are here. It's just like this small thing to make them I love them, that it's not there. But for the bras, for sure, I will say like every girl out there need this bra in their collection for sure. So I can definitely still recommend it. It's still very good. It's still good quality and everything. So it's still a thumbs up. But I hope you understood me. I'm always trying to be very specific in my reviews. I'm never going to sit here and say I like this, I love this if I don't do it. So I think we're going to summarize this video now, and make sure to go in and follow me on my Instagram if you want to see daily uploads from me. Upload stories and pictures and reels and mini reviews, and you have a little bit of everything there. So make sure to go into my Instagram, and also if you're not already a part of my YouTube family, make sure to click on the subscribe, make a little comment, put a little thumbs up on this video, and I hope I'm going to see you in my coming videos. But until then, take care and bye!